Hi students, today we shall discuss about natural resources. What is a natural resource? Anything that is available in abundance in the environment around us that we can use is called a natural resource. For example, the air we breathe, the water in the ocean, the crude oil we use to produce petrol and diesel are all natural resources. Let us now see what a biosphere is. The land, water and air are the resources that we use every day. They are also the most commonly found resources around us. The outer crust of the earth is called the lithosphere. It comprises of the land area on the earth. Water covers 75% of the earth's surface. It is also found underground. This is referred to as the hydrosphere. The air that covers the whole earth like a blanket is called the atmosphere. The region of earth where the atmosphere, hydrosphere and the lithosphere interact supports life and hence called the biosphere. The biosphere has two components, biotic and abiotic. Living organisms constitute the biotic component of the biosphere. Air, water and soil form the non-living or abiotic component of the biosphere. But let's think for a moment. Can we survive without soil, air or water? No. Similarly, what is the use of these natural resources without living organisms in them? None. That means the biotic and the abiotic components need each other. Now let's learn about abiotic resources that play an important role in sustaining life on Earth. Let us look at air as a natural resource. Air is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor, and this rare combination is the reason behind existence of life on Earth. Let us now focus on the atmospheric gases that are present on the Earth like nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. Nitrogen is used to produce a number of organic molecules like proteins. Nitrogen is fixed in plants and is transferred to animals through the food chain. Plants and animals use oxygen for respiration. Combustion of fossil fuels also requires oxygen. The other important atmospheric gas, carbon dioxide, is mainly used by plants for photosynthesis to prepare food. Marine animals absorb atmospheric carbon dioxide and form carbonic acid. These carbonate ions are used by these animals to make shells. Now we understand that we cannot live without these gases. Is there anything else these gases do for us? Yes. Let's see what it is. Air helps maintain a steady temperature on Earth during the day and controls the climate and formation of rain. Let us see how. Here are three beakers. The first is filled with water, the second with soil and the third is left empty. Now let's place this thermometer in each of these beakers. Let's place these beakers in sunlight for 3 hours and take the temperature readings. We can observe that the temperature is more in the second beaker than the others. This indicates that soil gets heated faster than water or air. If we perform the same experiment on shade, the temperature reads more in the water than the others. This indicates that the soil also gets cooled faster than water or air. Since soil gets heated faster than water, the air above the land also gets heated faster than the air above the water bodies. Similarly, if we take the example of a beach, during the day the heated air above the land starts rising, creating a low pressure area. This causes air to move from a high pressure area over the sea to a low pressure area over the land. This results in cool sea breeze that we experience. This is the reason why land near water bodies gets cold faster. But if all this happens in the day, what happens at night? At night, since soil cools faster than water, the air above the land is cooler than the air above the sea. This causes air to move from a high pressure area over the land to a low pressure area over the sea, creating a land breeze. So the movement of air from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure is called wind. However, it is not the only temperature, but also some other factors that are equally important like the rotation of the earth, the presence of mountain ranges, etc. Apart from causing land and sea breezes, air also helps to form rain. Let us see how. Water bodies get heated during the day and water evaporates into the air. Hot air rises and carries water vapor with it. As the air rises, it cools. This causes the vapor to condense into tiny droplets. When these droplets grow bigger, they fall as rain. This process is called precipitation. When the temperature is low, the precipitation may occur in the form of snow, sleet, or hail. Let us now see what is air pollution. This is a hot topic nowadays. It is very important for us to know the causes and effects of air pollution. The contamination of air with chemicals, smoke, dust particles, and disease-causing agents is called air pollution. Let us find out what causes air pollution. Burning of fossil fuels contributes to the addition of suspended unburned hydrocarbon particles into the air. Fuels like coal and petroleum also release nitrogen and sulfur oxides. These oxides of nitrogen and sulfur dissolve in air and form acid rain. Breathing of this polluted air will cause allergies, cancer, and heart diseases.